Cop search for St. Cathreine murder suspect.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
The St. Cathreine North Police have renewed their call for Alvin Messam, OC Kevin, a 35-year-old construction worker, to turn himself in immediately. Police said he is wanted for a murder which was committed on April 28 at Whitewater Meadows in St. Cathreine, in which the victim was virtually beheaded in a machete attack. Messam is believed to be from the McGregor Lane community in Spanish Town. It is being alleged that 44-year-old Clarence Clark, a taxi driver from Clarendon, was chopped to death by Messam. Reports are that Clark went to visit his girlfriend, so far identified only as Cathreine, at Whitewater Meadows, which is located off Old Harbour Road outside Spanish Town in St. Cathreine. Whilst inside the house, Messam, who is the father of Cathreine's child, visited the home around 9 p.m. and the two men got into a heated exchange. The argument led to a physical fight between them, but Clark, who is of a Freetown Clarendon address, eventually left the house, and while walking along the roadway, Messam reportedly used a machete to chop him. The deceased sustained chop wounds to his head and shoulder, partially severing his head. Clark was taken to the Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead. His attacker reportedly escaped on a bicycle in the area. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Alvin Messam is being asked to contact the Spanish Town Police at 984-2305, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.